Wani da hankalin nasu ka tashi. Ila.
Your Eminence, we are here at the directive of President Bola Ahmed Tinubu to commiserate with the government and people of Borno State, most especially His Excellency the Governor, and Your Eminence the father of the state, over the very catastrophic flooding incident this morning that devastated a greater chunk of Maiduguri metropolis. The President has directed us to come along with the Minister of Agriculture, with the DG of NEMA, and the Federal Commissioner for Refugees Commission. And I equally in turn requested our members of the National Assembly and our Deputy National Chairman to accompany us to come and solidarize with the government and people of Borno State and Your Eminence over the sad incident. Your Eminence, Your Excellency, the President has given the assurance that the federal government will stand firmly behind the government and people of Borno State towards ameliorating the pitiable conditions of our people. We are talking to the organized private sector for them to further reinforce the efforts of the Borno State government. Honestly, Your Eminence, the tragedy that we have seen is well beyond the capacity of the Borno State government alone to shoulder. Be rest assured that inshallah, President Bola Ahmed Tinubu is determined to support His Excellency Professor Babagana Umara Zulum MNI to address the needs of our people. Already about 50 trucks of rice are on their way to Maiduguri. They have started loading at their depot, and more eggs will come from federal establishments, organizations, and private sector, all to the custody of the Borno State government, because it has a track record of accountability and delivery to our people. I want to once again commiserate with you, Your Eminence, with His Excellency, the Governor, and all the people of Borno State. And inshallah, I wish to once again reiterate that President Bola Ahmed Tinubu is solidly behind you, and he asked me to convey his personal regards and best wishes to Your Eminence. And inshallah, in the fullness of time, it will equally come to commiserate